What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So my people, I don't know if you see what going on with Ivany and Swissley. Ivany versus one youth she used to talk to. So I say, I know cheese have some things to say about Ivany. My people, see Ivany them, if nobody don't know Ivany by now on the internet, them now gonna know her, especially Swissley. You see whatever reach Swissley with Ivany, me know say the internet is a place where them, you know what I mean, make up story and come sell with. I mean, I don't know if this thing with Ivany and Swissley is a make up story and them just a sell with a look at it, you know what I mean? Well, if I say it go, I say it go. I not knock them feet. Because you have to do what you do to stay relevant. And forget what you want to get out of life. You see me I say, and most of we know say, yo, them people are whole heap of trick with them use to try to, you know what I mean? Get with it, tune into them and get people to give them or something. So, I not to have no big deal over that. You know what I say? But here I go on my people. If I not saw it go, and a real thing I go on between Ivany and Swissley, anything will reach Swissley forget it. You know what I mean? Because Swissley know the type of person that Ivany is. Most of what Ivany do, if not all what Ivany do on the internet, is just for clout. You know what I mean? Boyfriend, everything, even the baby what she get. You see me I say, I just for clout. You know what I mean? Just for the internet, just to keep people interest, just to get gift her money. Me I tell you that Ivany live for the internet. Me I tell you that. Look when like nobody now really PR no mind. If you not see she try everything to get back in at the limelight. And me can't knock her for that because if that I did my job, I the same thing more that I do. Maybe not to the extreme what she do it still, you know. But we are gonna get in everything, my people. We also have, you know what I mean, Daima kind of clear the ear about her and Rosalie friendship because people don't really see them together like that no more. You see it? And we have a bunch of other things with people. I think we have something else so we can't remember if it up something where viral or whatever. We can't. And also my people, you see Annie. Right now, Annie them are some type of woman where me did feel like say she want a man to settle down with and in a relationship with and live a good, nice, you know what I mean, woman and man relationship. But me find out over the period of time where me I watch and see clips with Annie or something. Say Annie them no want nothing more than a man to deal with them in the worst way. I mean no woman like that. Them no want no boy if you come deal with them like say, you know what I mean, them a miss goody and treat them like a princess and way. No. Them want the worst treatment from a man and that make them love man. You see me I say, me know say if TikTok police serious right now and want back Annie, him a go get her back. You see me I say, but the youth you know, Yankee, Annie I get tired of him, fed up into lobby and way. Him expose him weakness to her. You know what I mean? You keep them girl, even if you love them, you can't make them know. Especially a woman like Annie. You can't make them know so you love them. You see me I say, else you're going to a problem, brother. Right now, he must figure I run back at Annie and I watch how Annie I go do him. People, make watch and see everything what go on here now. And make just jump in it. My people.
Self. You understand? I have that type of iffy type of brains there, so request. I send a request. Hold on, let me see person who said that again. I send a request. Babe, you can like give me some privacy and say something to them, please?
Sure.
Alright. You there on your live?
No, I'm going right now out there.
Oh, you can be out there, so?
Yeah. So you'll think I'm watching it live, I'm gonna go live. But yes.
Yes. Hey baby, Bamsi, bestie, what going? You good? You alright? Alright. So listen, Bamsy, when you're ready, you come up to the car. Today, me I go and rank. Alright? So come up, come check your girl. Yeah, come check auntie. Alright guys, so one roll of reasoning, right? First thing first, I go say this cause me not think the woman forget her with it. And I feel like the woman want to get her with it. No room, thank you baby guys. Me I beg gonna bless up your life meanwhile me there chat to you, please and thank you. Bless up the live and double tap on the live. Now look here, me just I be myself for you know, so me I beg you nobody cuss me. Alright? And me, all I wanna know me still. First thing first. I don't like when nobody advantage people because people always advantage me. You see, because people always advantage me, I don't like see people do it to other people. You understand what I say? And enough time I see people try to look out for me because they see how people advantage me because how me steal. Right? Listen to me. The woman end up an advantage Yankee. I rate him because he's nice. You don't know, so the woman don't want to give back the money back the ground rent. Me I tell you no friend no. Because I want to let it out there, make people know that woman is stay. You understand what I say? I want people know how that woman is stay. That woman is a wicked woman. The man pay rent, you know. And remember say pay rent, you know. Remember say January not donate, you know. Remember say January not donate, you know, not gone away, you know. Right? And the woman, that means say lose the rent where he pay for January. Plus him in the back the woman a take it. You know what the woman a say? The woman a say, oh, he left a place, no clean up. Remember say I run out the man out of house. But me I explain this to Yankee, but come like Yankee too nice. You understand what I say? I mean I want to seem like the rough one in the relationship because you know say me have a little roughness in me. You get me? Me I explain it to him, I tell him say get a police and show the police the video where take place yesterday. And make the police officer know say I run the woman run him from out of the house. That means that when you run a person from out of the house, you don't get time for do no clean up. You don't get no time for do nothing, officer. The woman run me out of the house when me pay me rent. You understand? Say so like how you run me out now. Just give me back my rent or give me back my in the back me go on. Go on with the rent then for January. But give the man in background rent. Give the man in background rent. It is not nice when you no advantage people. It's the things you want to do to people that go come back to you, you know. Me I tell you that, you know. You see, karma is a bitch. And you see, when time you have picnic out there, it now go come back towards you, you know. But you see, one of your picnic them, me I tell you, it will lick them in a lady. Me not like say people wicked. And me not like, my sister Yankee is a very nice person. Honestly. And the only reason why you do it because you know say the man have a nice, you understand what I say, right? Yes, he know how him stay. You understand what I say? He know how Yankee stay. So that's the reason why she take advantage of him. That's the reason why she come and ready to do all of these things to him. His personality is very nice. He have a very nice personality. I'm not lie to you, Mr. Last night when I see and I realize what the woman I do to him. Honestly, it bother me. So me want to explain to him, and guys, me go explain it to you. Know. I really like him, and things nice. Me no see nothing what me go complain about this man. Is a good quality where every woman, any woman would want a decent man like this. But for me right now, me I see I won't put him by someone. Oh. Yeah, as if we get take care of this, go get Zoe. So if we get Zoe this, make Zoe can keep her company or whatever. You know what I go here? Yeah, him just thoughtful, like, I don't know. You get what I say? Him very nice. You know, people like that, people not advantage them. But the thing is this now for me, I feel like it go too fast. Like, I feel like it go too fast. So, I feel like I just want to give some time first. You get what I say? Guys, want to listen to me good when I say out of my mouth. Alright? I really care about him. But I feel like, you know what I say? Yeah. a June my born, my brain stink a lot. I feel like it a go too fast, so I feel like I just take a little time by me.
My people, how them a woman have to find love? How them a woman have to find somebody who them really want? Unless you say them a woman a Lego blood clot beast. Them a woman you don't want nobody will want them. You hear me say? So all of the man them out there. You see when you see a woman like Annie, leave them alone. Because them no want nobody will want them. You have to no want them if they want you. You hear me say? Look for Annie now. Link up with the G. You see me I say crutches run the same day or the day after. And nothing wrong with that, my people. You hear me say? Nothing wrong with that. But when you go have something going on with this person and this person you not do nothing for you, move on and left him. You see me? And then you go left him. And then you go eventually start deal with the next man. And at the same procedure you go on with over and over again. You see me I say, them there, we have a name for them type of woman there. You see me now go talk it, me now go call it, tell me in the comment section. We have a name for them woman there. Hear this my people, see? Here we go on. You see a man, me see an analogy the other day upon I think Instagram, where an African man I give an analogy. See? I say yo, a and HAND will get washed in a several different bowl, right? Like you have different thing with water and you wash the hand in the water. You see me I say, him just a give an analogy when it comes to woman and man. You know what I mean? Nothing wrong with the hand we are wash in a different bowl. But if there's one bowl and you have many different hands are washing at the one bowl there, you see me I say, what is that? You know what I mean? And we don't talk about no disease or nothing like that. We just talk the facts about that the water they are go dirty. You know what I mean? That the water they are go useless. You understand me I say? But the hand we are washing a different. No contamination can go on there so. But as we say, we don't talk about no disease. Because if a man are grown and a do him thing, him can catch something. Same like a woman we are grown and a, you know what I mean? But we just show say the woman versus the man, woman can't do what man do. You see me I say? So if Annie are the type of person which we are sissy, she's that type of person we are grown and there with many different men. She now go find that real man. You see me I say, and then again me don't know if she really want a real man. You see it, she just want a man for dog her out and cut. Make me know what to think.
Self, you know. Nobody feel like I run, me not run, but me just feel like say, I make sure I'm good yesterday. I make sure I'm good. I make sure say, me sort out, me make sure him get everything we want. You understand what I say? So, me never did want to left him in a type of way where I go feel uncomfortable.
Good morning, beautiful. How are you?
Morning, what's up?
I'm here chilling.
You good?
Yeah. How are your boss then? They are foot. Eh?
Oh, I think he's supposed to outside.
Oh. I'm the one hear him up, you know?
Alright, when you come back in, me mute it and me go and talk.
What about?
Alright. Yeah, honestly. Alright, so guys, me mute. So as I may say, me just try explain it to you know. You understand what I say? A little bit because to me, I feel like say it a go too fast. I'm gonna want make it me see a mistake because I love easy. I do love a person easy. I want to see how I stay down, stay focused. I am. I'm not business if nobody wants to see me fool, but I just want some time to think. So anybody want to say me fool, that's so it stay. I just want some time to think. You understand me? Yeah. We go on. Of course, of course, and at that, when time something goes so fast, I just don't know it's easy for you to break down. You get what I'm trying to say? What do you mean by stress you out? Me not stress you out, but him good man. Me I gonna make sure he alright. Yeah, that's a one thing me I gonna do. Me I gonna make sure him good. What do you mean by too late? Yes, Maddy, no, you already go bed already. You know something I like on the style. I swear to God, you stop going to bed. No, guys, 7 rows chat. Yes, Maddy, in the comment section. Oh, no, already bed already. Oh, that's too late. It's too late. So because we got bed already, it's too late. Girl, I don't regret nothing. 7 rows, me no regret nothing. There is no regret. There is no regret. So me know why you can't say that to me none tall. You understand what I say? So what I say is just going forward. I just forward and I say. What you think? Alright. Me no want my relationship just build up off of the media. If you get what I say? Because there's a lot of come up now. A whole heap pop up out of the woodwork. You get what I say? And Yankee this I get used to the internet. You understand? A whole heap come out of the woodwork. Like a whole heap pop up. Chat, double team. And me don't want it be off of because me don't know. Me feel like you don't understand me, you know, because I see what I go through before, you know. You see, you ladies, me on a par, me on a deron, I see what I go through. You understand what I say? I see how people deal with me, I see how man say they love me and come in my freaking life. And it was just say what? The views and because you want to be famous, me just don't want to end up in that light then no more. Me don't want to do this. So if you want me say it out loud, you understand what I say? So me just say I want to think, like literally, it a go fast. Me love everything, yeah, what you do for me and whatever, but me just start take some space. Me just want some space, that's all. I'm in a business owner, say. Me just want some space. So me go back on my yard, him take some space, me take my space, and me go about my business. You understand what I say? Me think, bro. You understand? Me not drop back in this with nobody. Me not drop back right to this, bro. That's all me say. Uno maybe not understand. Uno maybe not understand. Who's that?
You are a Chinese food? You are a Chinese food?
Stupid!
Hello, Chinese food?
Look here, me order a delivery.
Joy time, Chinese food.
Make a find the charger. I'll pick it up for you today. I wish more to get that Chinese food there. You come and start talk so. It is, yeah, definitely. It is, but I don't know why I'm so freaking afraid. I swear to God, I don't know why I feel so when it come on to this. Just feel like, wrong time to leave and stay.
My people, more to tell me what you think in the comment section. I kinda understand what Anya say, but then these people on TikTok is so lie and deceiving, you can't give them the benefit of the doubt. You see me I say, and Annie should have known say yo, the thing I go too fast when she sleep with him on the first night. You see me I say? So what change now? Why you know want to be with him no more? You see me I say, why you just are looking to yourself and say you don't want that? If you did just want a one night stand, you give the G a one night stand and you cut left him. Remember now, you cause him to move from which part him did there staying or living. You see me I say, well, maybe him and the people them did have not so perfect relationship, but maybe them did a look out for him. Now you take him out from there so quick and fast and put him on him own out where him remember say him not live here for much years, you know, him dep on him own out here, you know. At least these people where him run, if them a take advantage of him, them did a help him out same way. You know what I mean? Now what him a go do? Now that you take him from there and put him somewhere else, what him a go do? You go did it with him to help him, you know what I mean? What them call it? Like navigate the place and everything. Well, my people, let me know what you think, because I need them deal with man like how girl is deal with girl. You know what I mean? You're there with a girl and you don't feel her to that, you cut gone. You see me I say, you get a one night, 2 night stand. You know what I mean? Maybe you stay the 3rd night or link up the 3rd night and you're gone. Because enough time we as man, we see a girl and we like them. But when we go there with them, you know, we are saying, boy, you know what I mean? You sometimes you not really off of your own consciousness certain way decide for just cut left them or don't link them back, you know. But them just no come just no come up on your mind after you knock. You see me I say, so you'd even go out of your way if you check up on them if them good. Maybe after on a knock or something, the couple of hours after you ask them if them reaching good and where you talk and you just fade well left them. You know what I mean? They may feel some type of way, but that's the life of a man where I deal with more than one woman. You see me I say, you're gonna get boring easily with one woman. So you come like say, Annie them develop them type of thing there without realizing say, yo, she develop it. I remember she did that sell rare. You know what I mean? So maybe that just in her where she can't really second certain way. You know what I mean? She want a man where no want her. That's why I tell you, enough of the woman them want a person who don't want them. You see me? So that's why them always have man who are cheat on them. We have multiple different women. Because you see the man there, you know see a girl is, and that the man there you want, and then you try change him. You see me? I say which way you can change him, and him have to want change for you. You see it? And then the man them where a girl is, you know, you go find some girl who you deal with, but you go find that one or maybe two. You go find that one where you go break you as a girl is. You see me I say, so let me know what you think, my people. Make you watch some more.
Let me play one more with you. Alright, look on it, right? If we have a reason, make a reason. If we have reason, I want to make a reason. Alright? And maybe take me slow. Yeah, maybe slow, but I pick up a whole heap of things. Yesterday will occur, right? What happened yesterday, right? You realize a person them take up a video and a video me because of me go there and a jabber said to me say, Annie, you have to know what you do. You understand what I say? You want people type of person, you loving, you want go spot everybody, you people there, you love for their own people, but you have to know your surrounding. You realize yesterday it was as though a person I do them take up a camera. Nowadays, people just willing to grab camera just to get some views or some highlights. You understand? I want it be for real. I don't want it be about the media or me putting out Yankee out there. You understand what I say? Right? If I something real, me I look. I not look no media love. I just say it plain and done. I not look no media love. Me I look something real. You understand me? So, if it's real, it will work out. God will make we come back together. But right now, I take the time out there. Alright? I'm love you now, but I just telling the truth. I take that time. I don't want to be in a media type of, You understand what I say? Because I don't like me not catch feelings, see. Me I catch feel like yeah, me I catch feelings of course, but it has scare me at the end of the day. It make me feel a way, like look a bit scaredish, like why you do all of this, like you know. I know me deserve these stuff. Me not like you. Me know me deserve all of them nice things and so forth, but it's like I want to know say it's just real, you know. Do our best for you. Yeah. Alright. You know, you are going to get a block. Tell him that. Alright, me I go tell him. Alright. So you hearing about tell him that. Hold on, him there on the life? Him there on the life? Wish you all the best. Thank you. Chat, double chat. Alright, when they alright, make him come. Just hold on, I'm play the game first.
Fuck up. No, you get some big suck up moments in there. I mean, I want to do it, cause, you see me? I'm not that type of person, you know.
And don't you think it's late for that? Late for what? No, it's never too late. Love you, baby. You can't too late. Morning, what's up? Chat, we're gonna some guys, we're gonna some taps. Oh God, what me do that's bad. What me do, me couldn't achieve me so yes, team. Thank you, baby. Thank you for the club.
Atlanta went right back to Charlotte, my hometown, chat. I went and got checked. I got checked December 1st. Bonnie's the only girl I have been fucking. That was the only girl I fucked since July on everything. I went and got tested December 1st. That shit came back. Bonnie, when is your birthday?
December 9th.
When's my birthday?
Say it. When's your birthday? Tell the live when your birthday is.
I never answer to you. It was so good. The answer you
Hey, chat, do anybody in here know when our Bonnie birthday is?
December 9th.
My test results came back. Hold on, where my other phone at? And I can show y'all proof.
If you remember when your
I can
results
show y'all proof.
remember
Bonnie is a liar. She say I fuck every girl. I do not fuck every girl, chat. I do not fuck every girl. And I put that on everything, chat. I do not fuck every girl, right? I gotta switch my fucking phones, chat. Chat, I got tested in July. It came back August 1st. I got tested July 30th. That was the last time I had sex. It came back August 1st, everything next.
Why Ivany must take them boy away a rapper? If him not talking, not talk up here, rap him a rap. I got you know, say talk like ice.
Chat. I got tested again when I came back to Charlotte. I got tested. My results came back December 1st. Everything was negative. Chlamydia came back positive. Right? I did not want to tell Vonnie. Everyone in this live know that Vonnie will go back to the live and tell everyone the business, right or wrong. Everyone knows Vonnie is very social media.
And I did not, so tell the people why they didn't say that.
Wait, listen. So boom. Mind you, another reason I didn't tell Vonnie because on Vonnie's birthday, which I didn't attend to because Vonnie tested me positive with chlamydia because she had it. She tested me positive with chlamydia. That's why I didn't come.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved the wretch like me. Me. What are they? Come on, go up this one. Save the wretch like me. What are they? I'm going up here, this man. No, I'm going up here. Save. I go up there, man. Then this when you go tell Ivany say she want to kill her foreign. Then nobody never ever report Ivany in her life. Huh? Then when you go tell her, but I'm truly, I'm seriously, I don't really reason with her and say, Ivany, Stop walk and shoot up foreign. Eh? Lord Jesus, then Ivany want to say it's not she, you're the man. Liar, liar, pants and fire. Ivany, no, that one day you can't get away from. When you can't get away from Kayla, good God, man. That one day you cannot get away from. Is that you? Ivany. Everybody knows that you gonna foreign with Donald Small. Yeah, but like everybody know that. Everybody know you walk with a bomber. Yeah? And you make the man sing that song there in a rap power with cartel. Itch, atch, clutch, catch, scratch, scratch, mooch, match, itch, arch, ink, chop, match, large, look, chop, chick, check. Look here, everybody move your man. With the rhythm and blues. Nothing, I know, Ivany. May I come back to you?
You know my people, Ivany give the man it scratch pitch patch to bumbuckler. You know, yo, I tell you about them girls still know my people, them terrible, you know. And them youth, yeah, them for know say yo, although they're youth, yeah, young youth still know my people, them leave, yo, this youth I would have just left school. You see me, I say, so them even know about life good, you know. And maybe him even have something to, you know, my people. But Ivany a older girl for him. You see me, I say, bigger girl for him. And this a girl that been around the block several times. You see me? So them young youth, yeah, I feel like say Ivany take them because she have control over them. You know what I mean? And she can deal with them anyhow she want to deal with them certain way. You see it, and then she give them money too. So it's a control thing. You know what I mean? So she if you know better say yo, you know what I mean, we a deal and Ray, make we wrap it up. Because I know that, you know what I mean, Ray, like she no clean and she know that. You see it, even if the G no clean, she no really know that. You see me I say? And she been going raw with them youth here and a big young youth. You see me I say for the longest while from she reach a foreign. You see me I say, so what Ivany I try to tell the people them say, and she give the youth nothing. Come on, after I'm an idiot. As me I say my people, me don't know if him have nothing still in, cause right now you can't tell, almost everybody have something. You see it, but definitely we've been here say Ivany have something. You see it. So what you feel like say the youth would have give Ivany something, or would think of Ivany more to give the youth something? Let me know in the comment section.
You know, say on a serious note. You know, saying everybody type patience, but suck out egg. Don't make a this on my program and don't come over here, come go like I don't want to disrespect the bitch. Don't do that. But everybody type. I will get up my personal instead of I'm block that bitch there now. But everybody come over here and type Sean Stam. Don't do it. Leave the girl alone. Don't.
Jace, please.
That girl crutches is a spy. It's a spy that you gotta put that pum down, my baby. You gotta put that punani down. Yeah, man, love. I don't think you need to use that. Shame move from your so your man looking figure it out. Need diamond crutches in your face from your song way. Yeah, when I come to your ear, me a chat itch, axe, clutch, scratch. Leave the child alone. Oh, leave scratching me.
Leave the child alone, man. And go. Yeah, when I come with your long face, look how much things Jayden have in them pants front. Eh? Jayden I walk with the whole of Riverton City in them crutches. And that's if I talk about. Nobody don't want Jayden to care what I do him here. Nobody don't want him but me. They think people that out there that have no sense to live without Jayden. I must see me alone. Yeah, come on, go on like you have a friend on the app. Now come over my live, Shay. Now come over my live. Oh, me for come suck you and Jayden love eat, so. Then why you deprive the boy from the table, so? Spread it and make him near it. Yeah, but like you want to deprive the boy. So I don't know like when I want another. And this is what I know. On the door like when I want another. I don't like it, power man. Yeah. Yeah, come on, go on. Because you know Jayden no friend, nobody him can't taste them. Jayden can't walk and tell what flavor the internet have. Oh. Jayden know every flavor on the internet. Then say why everybody at class they come and say Kiki when they take fair joke all long. You know long them draw fair that it a Bellevue and Kiki now going fair shot. Oh. I don't know why Kiki a cuss you, but Kiki deserve for cuss you. Then Shay, where you and K I know why you chat K now. Because so you're Jayden a good friend, me and K a good friend. More you come off a K name. But when you come off a K name, Shay, oh, bad to bad. I know why you call K mix up in your mouth. Leave K argument alone. A man and woman this and a woman and woman. Back up. Oh. Before you argue with Shana Chin, who for all not even price full like a piggy bank. Eh? Nobody now walk a drop kind of fair, baby. She have to walk and pay for body. She don't have no age gap. She don't have no age preference. Eh? She don't walk and take the good, the bad, and the indifference. My face of the girl like patches a Clint Eastwood. I not ask nobody no question. I hear come but she move from your son go sit down with your UFO, Jayden. Jayden cocky ugly like. I come and tell Emily about she feel she remind him of Fabi. Boy, no more closet, eh? Me can't tell her no more closet, no leave for Jayden jacket going in there. Tell Jayden come. Tell him come. Dirty shade, triple worker. Come here now. Come here now, Shay. So what if on the market otherwise than me? Then come here now, Shay. Hey, I'm gonna suck out to number. Our class, the whole of the nastiness, our class, when you're not channel, you know. Our class, we don't promote me dirty people. Let me tell you something. Me enough for you, pan. Yes, I'm not friend. Me not like no for you. Me not like no for you. All of me chat to me not like some of you. Then what are you no wicked and bad to me? They don't really not like me. They really don't like me. I'm gonna come here religiously every day. I try to laugh. And they don't really not like me. I'm gonna make all Shay gone far up on the app more than Shay all around. I'm not even wrong. They don't not like me in real life. If no one they like what they're about secret. And Martin Shay go suck out with this dirty Shay now. Shay no you me have a class. Now send me no drunk bro. Now send my man tycoon. Me tell me no irritate my bitch. Then come here now. Come here. Come here, no, not to like me on the app. I want somebody look at the monitor and identify she. I want somebody look at the monitor and know she go sorry so she send me the lion. Yeah, cause you know you me go crucify in the morning, yeah. But tell you say me not play hypocrite and me not ease up and enough for you know.
And up till today, dear, dirty boy, as much, I'm gonna tell you something. Ziggy me not see who can tap him on class, me class king. If me did really want class.
Alright, my people, want to tell more the things. See, alright, this a little youth here, we don't know him. You see me? We just know say he's a young youth, right? We know Ivany been changing man just like how Annie change man. You see me I say them love man and them no business, them there with man raw. You see it? So who you would believe give somebody something people? Ivany or the youth? Tell me in the comment section. Because me don't know the youth, but me would more if you say Ivany give the youth something more than the youth give Ivany something. Because Ivany, based on where we been hearing, you know what I mean, from the longest time, Ivany have something. You see me I say, and there's no way a woman when not have nothing cannot change man so. No woman when not have nothing now go a change man so on the regular. No, because them a go cautious say they might catch something. Only somebody when not have nothing to lose I go change man so often, especially young boy. Cause them a young boy and them just a there with more, you know what I mean, multiple women most of the time. Some of them a wrap it up, you know what I mean, but more would I believe say the Ivany more forgive the youth something more than the youth forgive Ivany something. Big man thing, so tell me what you think.
King with the day I say king of something. You cannot get me for say something when me know I'm not true and when me not say I you shot me. Until death you gonna hear me come say a king. I never said that and I will not say that. I mean I say who for stop me for say a king. If me want to say a king nobody can stop me. King never give me anything. Are you give
feel
me?
like every girl full of man I love them, you know.
Look how blood clot long. Look how blood clot long me and King stop talk. I mean I have no farmer problem till me pick up you. Me not have no farmer problem till me pick up you. You hear me hate King like pies if my pussy start but me come class. Bro, me kick out King, me dash out King, me fart, me do every blood. You think me afraid for come say King shot me. You a try get me for say that and it now work and it a mad you. Because you a try get me for say a king so that your image, you hear when say this a fuck up image, it's all about your image. Everybody else image dirty. So my image dirty and King image dirty. So King must take the blame. King must take the blame for protect your image cause you are light skin cute what everybody want. Come stop me. Dirty boy. Come eat me. And you give me an argument done. And you know you have it long time and I tell your partner say you could have catch AIDS and who you fuck get AIDS and you not tell them you're a wicked boy. You're a wicked blood clot boy. Any girl shot a boy and a boy.
Ask anyone I man them dog. Ask every man dog.
If them get shot, them call the girl instantly.
But that kick she get. That kick she get. If you not gonna drop.
You go call your girl instantly. You don't care if she want to go on internet or not, you make sure I call her.
Now call her to mama listen to man dog up on internet. Cause you go and you shot me and you and this and that. If
nobody
my love
believe,
you,
nobody not care who no believe. Right now, go skin out your pussy game and that's enough for go do. Go skin out your pussy game.
If the one for
and then come back with the test couple days after.
Slap the thump on your face.
All who believe go skin out your pussy game and then go to a doctor go get check after and see if you're not alright. That's all. I give a fuck. I'm gonna tell you something. You see King, you might want like a blood clot next retarded one. You only work off emotions cause you feel like you get back. Cause if me never cuss you what day, me give that run with Jesus. Me not listen to me. You see anyhow me they play a match with King and keep me cool with King. And me and King start text back. And low-key there's a text. King run off him phone to them. King would have run off your blood clot off him phone. Me not ask you, girl. King would have run you.
I trade this to man for true.
King would have run your dirty blood clot. King feel like I just him get back this and King a laugh it off. King would have run you. Me not ask you. Oh. Come suck me. And I don't feel no way because you shot me and I come tell the internet say you did a burn. Up till today, I don't ever see your boy. I take my medication and I this and I that. I don't fuck for 1 month. You can't come tell me say you don't fuck for 1 month and I believe. If me come tell you say I don't fuck for 1 month, you don't believe me? Go on, yeah. Cute. I pretend I know say me change my name to Burn Sensation. You think no one is upon this hurt me? I want Burn Sensation, boss. Cute. Cute and girly. One Burn Sensation, boss. Ivany. Yeah. Cute. Anytime when you come to my life, greet me. One Burn Sensation, boss. Cute.
Them pluck you from where they come bring me down. And the Yankee them come fierce. But they are back here.
No, that guy feel like say.
100%.
Where people not understand, say. Where they not understand,
switch
say.
again, girl. Switch probably again. I ask you something.
So you're not going to trading. And then you come over yourself.
I have what you when I learn about it. I watch a radio in a trading thing.
You're not going to risk them to something because you know where your money going.
You know that? I don't gamble, you know. When I gamble, Vani, me beg.
Yeah, you have to put a little money on it, and you have to stay for your TikTok.
Wait, you kill it and I give you some kind of that. Give me something, give me it, no.
Not on that page, I will go up on the other page. Why you can start skilly bang the deal?
I mean, me no go skill bang. I people might chat and I give me no. You know what, go ahead, me not get no Vani. Judge.
Me look for some of them
people. Follow that page, yeah.
Me nah look for none of them girl in the DM, cause while them have to go on
get me to 50K. 600 more followers. Chat, you follow me. Get me to 50K, chat.
Some of them girl, Ziggy, we are talk about burn sensation. Them have to go 95 a man and go clean shit. How much you get for clean shit? $25. I make $1,000 in a second. Come suck me. Man, I'm not late for go clean shit, my dear. Mine someone not for late for go Walmart work. Man, I'm not late for go call center and them fire on me, dear. Remember, me not have to do that. I just put in my trade in your stuff. So now my TikTok live look upon this and I mean that cute.
One Vani. Oh, buckland. I'm not telling you lie. I live Vani the wrong. I pick Vani side by Jamaican. Hush. Sorry.
I'm still going to get support right too.
I'll tell me that thing over here. I'm telling you how much you just up. In an argument. Vani. Yankee, but I'm sure tell us I'm a friend for a long time. King alone.
Any the boy did it for my blood clot. I see how me try to explain it to King because I'm going to tell you something. I understand why King I say believe him because guess what? King I remember when me come on him live and say
some people, Ivany know I use King to make it look like say, okay, King no say, King never come out and say me give him nothing. So that means I don't have nothing. Yo, who know that believe me people? As I said before, Ivany are the youth there. Are the youth there are King. Who you that believe? Cause me other thing say, me other more to believe say King have something. You see me I say, you know the reason why I say King have something? Because we see King are there with Ivany on camera. You see me I say, that means that this little youth here broke out. You know what I mean? This little youth here in the business. This little youth here maybe I carry something. You see me I say, so in the business, him we do it on camera. Him we knock up a girl on camera. You see me I say, so my people, if something really goes so, as me say, enough story them people here come give it on social media when I go so. But if something goes so for real and somebody catch something, I would think that the youth get something from Ivany. Simple as that. You know what I mean? And tell me what you think.
go get tested. Remember that night, that day there?
Yeah. This
and that king I listen to, and I say, I believe she told you that it was me. But him not understand, say, the boy, I remind me, say, King did fuck for me, and I probably the girl, the king and king give me. And that's why me that forgot upon him live and say, go get checked it when me that troll him. Because remember, say, me been know already, because that happened when me and the boy talk already. I just recently, last week, me and King face meet pan live again. Me don't take my pill already. Pill don't take everything already. That's why I go up on King Live and say go get tested. So let's see I kill up him blood clot self. And not even take him time for you. Me not pay King no man. King just want a little clout him see it and him just take it. And through me shame him what they and run him like dog for the same Jesus will come back. King I take a look.
Love you never on every day me and King play match in the enter one King get mad, you know. But put up Vani and put up a picture, you know. Man say, you I swear my dad cousin you wanna fuck Vani. You can't get her, bro. You can't.
It hurt blood clot King on me run him.
I mean.
It hurt him cause me run him where what day yeah. And him a pick side with the blood clot I pick side with the boy.
Man get back a pound of flesh right now.
Then hear my switch around, but him know me a fuck. When I go up on him life, say, when me ever fuck pan you silent, and you look at you well and know say you fuck pan blood clot me, you well and know. All by promising me have to use I'ma beat out it blood clot run a back mash up. Where go on yeah? What's up, bro? Jesus, you're pretty with a ugly blood clot disease in your little baggy there.
Hey!
Rejection is a blessing. Girl, if me text King right now, King reply. Me not ask you. Remember me and I fuck you see a man them. Me text King right now, King reply. King I look up. Laugh back. Now ask you, that's why I'm not meds him. I'm not like where I say all I way I say never make no blood class sense for life. I'm not look at him.
I'm not telling you lie now. Yeah, I'm afraid, but I like you for King. Barney, you want a man to tell me jump him now, so I, that is King.
What?
Remember you can't tell King jump him now, so I know. A King you always have, a King of your man, girl, I have there.
When man fuck on you, then go on. If you understand my situation. And me and, no, from me and King attack for almost a year, I never fuck pan King yet. Since me find out a King fuck pan me start low-key did flirt with Jesus and make King get vexed and start fall for Jesus. Never fuck pan King. A King blood clot phone me check and find out a King fuck pan me. I don't know what you say. Oh, I may decide not to go back to this because you fuck pan me already, we do it again. Yeah, we do it better this time. And then I say, anybody can catch STD. I don't know them a girl up on the life fool, so. Them a girl up on the life, you can't go there with no man. Your man can't go fuck pan you right now. And go to the road, go catch chlamydia. You there your yard that you not fuck pan your man. You just do your thing as a nice girlfriend. And your man just gone out the road, go and see one pretty girl and go fuck one girl and go catch chlamydia. Come back a your yard, come fuck you and give it to you. That's a thing good, vice versa. Look how much married woman there them yard and loyal to them man. You know much married man give on? A married man go up and roll, go take up normal girl, go fuck them. Condom bust or whoever take off condom or maybe then drunk and in a mood and remember to put on condom. And you go fuck by your wife. You go catch something. You're not gonna know see you catch it same time because you're gonna go fuck today, you catch it in a 2, you probably don't know. You go fuck all your wife the next night now. Your wife catch something. It lead it to now in a confusion because you ask your wife, you feel something if a she and she go want no see you. Reach yet. The baby already drop asleep on the ground. The baby the low flat where I'm comfortable bad around it in pillow I'm asleep. Jesus come and me and Jesus come on the bed. Me and like dog and me and Jesus fuck. Why you try get out of that? Me fuck on the bed. The baby up on the ground. The baby was not up. The baby was not awake. Crying for mommy and seeing me and fuck. The baby fast asleep. Me wrong for fuck on the bed.
So
you just as wrong for fuck on the bed. So when you come and try to justify, oh I fucked you with the baby. What you think you're gonna get? One up and me get 0? Don't come stop my body, man.
Can I talk? Can I talk
stop
now?
me.
Alright. Chat, listen.
You're weird for 2 hours.
Hey, chat. I got 3 things to say to y'all. The first question, I'm answering the first question. Let me say my 3 things without getting interrupted right quick. Listen. The first question was, why didn't I come and tell her? Why would I come and tell her, chat? If y'all seen today what she did, she tried to
yo.
He's saying that like it's not good reason. They're not gonna let me talk, chat. They're not gonna let me talk, chat.
I like chicken off you could have dead. Brother, listen to no Yankee boy.
These niggas some weirdo.
Too young for the on my bed.
And him Christian, why do y'all think I came out and told her eventually? The only reason I told her is because I did feel bad. That's the only reason I did come out and tell her.
Me would have known eventually.
I'm a caller, babes. All if you don't want to come on the life, but I tell you don't come on the life come talk. But listen to girl, you shot me.
You own a piece.
You have pop bomb clap him. Now tell her that. The moment you hide this for now, brother, are you dog?
Make him start him live. I want to go over there.
I got 2 more things to say because Vonnie trying to get me off the line because I still.
I'm not trying to get you live. You could go on your own life and have them following you.
I got 2 more things to say.
You could go live.
The second thing I got to say is
like you have not talked a Jamaican community.
The only, mind you, a Jamaican community that you brought me up in. I didn't bring myself into this community.
I didn't brought you up in it. We used to battle as friends.
You did.
We used to battle as friends and then they jump over to your side like what they do. I never introduced you to Jamaican community.
So I got
we used to battle and then start telling you shit about me.
They won't let
We
me.
used to
She
battle
not
and
gonna let
people
me talk,
eventually
Chet.
come over your
She not gonna
live
let me
Man,
talk.
and telling you
brother,
stuff
man.
about.
Ignorant dog. Can't wait
And then
for
one
She
thing,
not gonna let me
listen,
talk, Chet.
I got a question. You started on your live talking about people sending you message about Ivany. Didn't you say you did your research? Didn't you know I used to work in a club in Jamaica? So what are you trying to say
I did
now
not know that.
when
I
you
did
come
not know
live?
that.
You said you
I
look
did
up
not. I
Ivany
did
this
not
and
know that.
Ivany that. And
Vonnie,
what are
I
all
never
these
seen nothing
people
about
telling
that
you?
stuff,
And you talking about that. So you basically saying, oh, Ivany's sick from Jamaica and I should have listened to the people and know
bro.
she gave me stuff.
What?
You can't
I
manipulate nobody.
never said that. You are a liar, bro.
Bro,
Chet,
go start
I
your
got,
All
live
right,
I
a
got
long
two
and
time
more.
with
Chet,
go.
I
that.
got two more
Jesus, hold
things.
on it.
I
Vaughn,
got,
hold on,
I
Vaughn.
got.
Hold on, the two hold on. A long time today in my courthouse. Hear me, I say. You see the type
I
of
may have
girl
my
Vaughn
dad say
is,
something
or the
about
me that
black.
did Vaughn. Y'all listen me? Gizo, Gezo. Y'all listen me? Or the me that deal with Vaughn. You understand? Or Vaughn go about the me that dog. You understand? The moment you feel say Vaughn shot you, you will come crash out. After the media, yo, Vaughn, this, yo, I truly people that talk about you and dirty girl. This
What
is
the fuck?
Ray,
What
this
am
is
I crashing out
fucky.
for?
Ray, listen, I post it, I'm chatting, man. Me say, that's how I come do.
Nah,
Cause you gotta
understand.
believe. You gotta believe, you gotta deal with who you dog. The moment you know say she shot the dog, cause you say who? Vaughn, you.
Alright, my people, me asking that question here. Seeing, is it wrong, you know what I mean, for there with a woman with a picnic in the room, with a sleeping picnic in the room, when I really understand nothing? Is it wrong? So the people them will say wrong, you know what I mean, do you have kids? So let me know what I think with people, make out some more.
Biggie that girl for true. Oh, it's a shot, man. Ray. You see, if I ain't do that and I hide it, pussy, I shot the girl, batty boy. I'm telling them, batty, boy feel like you can't trick, man. I tell them, Yankee, dirty boy. Yeah, Vaughn, them, I them who they da find a take. Eh?
But you know,
Hey, boy,
understand,
say you.
bro, me just can't understand how Jesus wants skip from life to life. Like, what was your intention when you jump over this to
Man, I
tell
got two
people?
more things to say.
Well,
Cause
you
niggas
can't
not gonna
ask me
keep.
nothing. You have two more, so
Niggas not
your
gonna.
blood
Niggas
clot.
not
What
gonna
was your
keep cutting me
intention
off,
when you
man.
jump over
Niggas.
King Live? What
I'm
you
finna tell
wanted to
you. I'm
tell
finna
people?
tell you. I'm finna tell you. I got
All
two
right,
things to
talk.
say first. I got two things to say first, chat. Y'all both see, I know y'all all Jamaican and shit, so y'all trying to stick together, but both of these niggas ganging up. This Ziggy nigga ganging up on me, I don't even know him, and she ganging up on me too. They all ganging up on me in this bitch, so none of y'all
Yeah.
gonna believe me because y'all Jamaican community. And number three is,
Bro, I
the
shoot
only
me a
reason why,
talk,
But
bro.
just like how him foreign people,
Everybody
them
see Vaughn,
agree
you
with
want big
him.
piece of idiot girl, cross this girl, dirty girl, fucky. Walk and suck good, everything you have bad
Let me
about
ask you
Vaughn. And
something.
you know the Vaughn shoot
Diggy,
you, you come cash out.
Diggy,
Batty boy.
Diggy, when him did over upon Fame Life and him add him moderator them to the life and him a tell him American community everything. All them thousands of people them on Fame Life, wasn't the Americans them a listen and believe everything what him want say because him a American and him them know. Him never did I listen to them. All the Fame people them I listen to everything what him a say and them believe everything what him a say. Cause one thing we know with Americans, them stick to blood clot together. Or when them know a lie, them one another tell them stick together. All them people them did I listen to him. So oh no you want come over here so and force people to listen to what you say. You know what him do? Me end up get banned. Me never end my life Ziggy. I ban TikTok ban my main page, right? You see before TikTok ban me never realize a King did alive. A people me start say, I say, King the live, Vani, King the live. Little bit after me, yes, a King the live. TikTok ban my page. So you know, so when he ban it, me end up come off a live completely. You know what him do? Him jump off a Fame Live. Him never get banned, you know. Him jump off a Fame Live. When him jump off a Fame Live, then the time that me appeal my life from my main page, me end up get back my life and start back my life instantly. When the people them a spam me, I tell me say Jesus reaching a king box. No more than him the life, and the people them tell him say king is life, and to him say my life and kind of that watch my life on him phone. Him run off a Fame Live and jump gone pan King Life, thinking say him a go rush go over there to tell King say, hey, Barney did say this and Barney did say that. Me never da go blood clot over there, ban me get ban and come back and attack the things them. I say you coulda did give me ears you da sit down 7 days, 1 week to 2 weeks after you take your medication them. And when you get better, because you wait until you take your medication and you wait until you get better. And your medication them done when you take a pill them 2 times a blood clot. You have to take one in the morning and you have to take one in the night. And you have to take them exactly 7 days. You wait until you finish take all of your pill them. And you wait another week after me ask you why you never come for my birthday before you tell me say something happened.
If she say her sex me did one, cause she say me want me bring her on the stream for fuck her off. That's what she say. Me bring her on the stream for fuck her off in a punga house. That's what mama say. Me bring her on the stream for fuck her off. That's what mama say. Listen. Remember the night no chat. When punga, remember the night when Valiant come. When Valiant come, Valiant said to me say, Swissly, you can't go your yard and not come give me a stream. Remember say Valiant come perform on my show in a rain. Remember, you know, Valiant come perform on my show in a rain. Me never know if Valiant have a concert. Valiant look at me and say, yo, bro, more you come perform, more you have to come on my party. Chat. Remember, me make SK change the flight. The dog say, yo, you have to come on my show tonight. If me do want me come on New York show. And me tell Valiant, so me can't come on New York show. And the dog said to me, say, bro, you have to come on Atlanta show then. You have to come on Atlanta show. And I say, alright, cool. I call SK, I say, SK, change. Remember in the chat, I must not do over the on Twitch, you know. I say, Valiant, I say, chat, listen, I can't go home tomorrow, Valiant, to come on show. One thing, the whole line of the comments, go on I'm show, because the man come here party. Boom. I go and say, alright, chat, I go a Valiant show. Punga them, I could stay at Punga house. I could stay at the Clover house, because Punga them, I go do one Clover magazine. The man them, they go shoot one magazine thing. For them magazine. So the dog, when the stream end, Punga say, yo bro, tomorrow we are going to New York for go shoot to a magazine thing for them stream. Cool. That Punga, I couldn't sleep at the Clover yard. Boom now. I say to Vani, say, yo, the man them want you forward no cab. I tell Valiant, say, yo, I don't have Vani living. And the man say, I don't have Vani live. Cool. Tell Vani, say, forward at the show. I say, yo, Vani, the dog them want you forward at the show, you know, rare. The man them say, yo, they want you forward at the show. You know what I said to Vani, say, me don't know if me go the show, because me don't know if I stay. Vani look at me and tell me, say, Swissly, you can't stay at my yard and stay in the guest room. Nobody will know, say, you're there in my house. Me look, this is my reaction to Vani. I swear upon you're alive. Me say, me if you come out here, you come stay Vani, you're sick in your head, man. Then she look at me and say, I'll get one of the $100 hotel. I say, Vani, me figure it out. So chat, if me did want sex, Vani, bro, me did want sex, and me did have it in my head, say, me want sex. Me that guy a yard, bro. If me that prolong say me want sex, bro, Vani, me have you as a friend, bro. Me have you as a friend. Don't make it look like, say, bro, me that try fuck you off, bro. Don't make it look like, say, for them people, bro, for your viewers, bro, for them people who don't like me that try fuck you, bro. Don't do that, bro. Me invite you, bro, just like how me invite Atto. Me say to Punga, say, bro, this a girl here is park your stream. Me can call Punga right now. When I call Punga, I say, Punga, this a girl here is park your stream. If you bring Vani for your stream, she go spark your stream. Just like how me invite Atto. If you bring Atto, I go park your stream. So if me that try for sex, bro. If me that try for sex, bro. Me that tell you, say, me that come here, me that say, alright, me I come here yard. Don't make it look like that, bro. Don't make it look like that, bro. Don't make it look like that, dog.
What am there?
When them forward, bro. Maybe over here deal with something, bro. Yeah.
What is Nacho?
Don't make you do that.
Well, my people, they tell me what they think about that one here, because I don't put nothing past a man, you know. You see me? No matter who him be, I don't put nothing past him. One thing me I say, Swissly, you should have take it when Ivany did one gate back in the days before Rebel. You see me? I say, because you take it, you know, you look away. You see me? And more than fuck Vani. Why you wouldn't fuck Vani? You see me? Okay, we know say you're a rebel a deal, okay. But as me say my people, me not put nothing past no man. You see it? Ivany say what she say, Swissly I say what him say, it's between them know what go on. Swissly know in her mind what go on. You see me I say, Vani know what go on. And as me say before in that video, Ivany is a person where if you don't know her, well, you maybe get caught by surprise certain things. Maybe. You see me, you get caught. Maybe you get caught by surprise. Maybe. You see me? Because she are going to show you who she is. So that's why I say maybe you are going to get caught by surprise. But anybody right now we know Ivany from the longest while. I'll get caught up in a no situation with Ivany deserve what them get because them know who Ivany is. Ivany live for the media. You see me, I say there's nothing that she won't talk. You see me? And just the other day a little thing come out with Swissley about a woman, so you know what I mean, people are gonna believe Ivany over him. But let me know what you think, the people.
Bro, don't do that, bro. And I say, yo, you have tea, and say, me see it naked. First of all, what were we talking about for you up on the phone naked? What were we talking about for you at work? Van, you call me in a one white outfit. I want in a one white dress. In a one white dress. In your closet. In your closet, you're the mama. In your white dress. And you take up one Dulce, that's when you come a Valley and show. You take up one Dulce Gabbana, white slippers. And you say, you think if you wear this could I wear with it? And I say, that look good, wear that. You ever up and say, alright, if you left out, you call me again. I mean, if me call you. I mean, say, if you left out here, me not tell a lie. I mean, if me call you, or you call me. Me not tell a lie. Me call you, or you call me. You're in a one pink, this one pink polka dot skirt. And one heels. You take up one pink heels and say, before wear this heels, I wear this slippers. Me say, anyone you want wear, Valley and show, so done. You come on the dark thing and you not come. Ivany, that the two night them Vany come round me 2 man like her. The 2 night Vany come round me 2 man like her. Vany, me never put an argument here like say, Vany, where you got your yard for? Go and build him and me go and reason. No. The night when you come a Valley and show, you want a Valley and dog one time. The 2 night, me can call the 2 man if I think I lie. The 2 man them there, I'm like, Rasta most like her, Valley and friend like her. The 2 man you want to talk to Vany. But Rasta most don't know Vany. If Rasta most girl is gone, he will talk to Vany. That a punga friend. Valley and friend of Jamaica, him know. Him not gonna talk to Vany in a crowd. He want to talk to Vany one side. I just that more address, bro. The fat pum pum thing where you say me see and the jiggle up body thing where me see. Me never don't pan you, bro. You eat your chat, Van, me make Van eat her food. Van eat her food, me eat my food. Me bring Van upstairs. Van the KFC where her friend bring. The KFC where chat the blow kiss thing, bro. Chat. The blow kiss thing. The blow kiss thing, when you say one blow kiss thing, Van goes so in the camera to me, say, me a come now, mwah, go on, and me say, mwah, later sis, come. She goes so, mwah, she dep on her way now, mwah, and me go so back. That's a friend thing, bro. Me and Van, me, bro, listen. Me and Van, bro, me have no sexual thing to Van. No sexual thing. Remember how Van disrespect me, bro. I'm not stupid. Bro, that's nothing, bro. Me and Vany are friend, bro. Vany do a makeup. Vany call me. I do a makeup and I do a see her breast and Vany goes up. I do a makeup and Vany say me I come. I me go back so I say hurry up and come. Cause the stream I go done. A regular, a normal thing that, bro. Vany make it look like say me I kiss her for her up on the phone. Bro, me not see Vany naked. The only thing me see for Vany was her breast. I swear to God. And she called me and do her makeup with her breast. And then me hang up the phone because she said she'll come. I bet then she said she'll come. Don't make me look so to your people, bro. Like me and you dead, bro. Or me a try look you, or me a try fuck you, bro. Don't do that, bro. Like me a try fuck you, bro. Don't do that, dog. I'm never come over here and this, bro. Me do one video to my people. I say, chat, the people on TikTok say me a hypocrite. How can you be? Me say the people on TikTok say me a hypocrite. You know what hypocrite? Me say hypocrite are when people disrespect you and tell you say go suck your mother, go suck this, go suck that, and you them play a match. That's the only thing I'm saying now. That's the only thing I'm saying now. Vany say me I try and make she stay for fuck her off. Me I try and make she stay for fuck her off. Bro, I just want to make that clear, bro, so me never see Vany pussy yet. And Vany never at work front of me. Me don't know which part that. And if chat, listen, bro. Vani is a girl who have receipt, bro. If Vani did a twerk and up on phone naked, me that's that screen record. Me know that girl, bro. Vani have receipt with that, bro. Vani, Miss Vani have receipt with she at twerk and naked and the screen record that. Vani. Bro, Vani that post up, bro. Vani that's a seat chat. Swissley, they on phone me at work. Bro, that never happened, bro. That never happened, bro. That should have had that already. That never happened, bro. Yo, bro. I pray.
Good there.
Me so worry about
no, make it play like you.
Never like that, bro. Never like that, Barney, bro. Never, bro. Me invite you to the dog stream for a purpose, bro. And one thing when I go say to you, remember you say me are the snake, and me are the snake, and me are pussy. Nobody, when me bring Barney on the stream, nobody never say me a snake. Everybody has say Swissley a good you. Me tell the team this. TikTok is a place where people can't tame. Do what you have to do and come over here and do not work on our work and get the fuck off over here. Over here, so them people that can't tame. Remember when we just put Vani come on the stream, Swissley.
Alright, my people, let me say this. You know what I mean? Swissley, let me tell you something, my G. You see that squeaky, clean image the way I try to keep, my G? Leave that squeaky, clean image there alone. It can be the downfall of you or the detriment of you. You hear me tell you? You see that squeaky clean image the way I try to uphold me, G? Is either you live it fully or leave it alone. You know what I mean? Do some things make them see say, yo, you are not that squeaky clean person. When me see Swissley a smoke for the first time, you know, people, me I say, hold on, Swissley smoke? You see me, I say, that kind of, make me a pray. Me I say, no man, this a dog and a smoke. You know what I mean? To the image where you are portraying on my people. So Swissley, let me tell you this, my G. You see that squeaky clean image there where you try to keep squeaky clean, my fam? That are gonna be your biggest downfall. You know why I say that? Because people are gonna disappointed if them hear or see nothing bad what you do, and we are all human beings. You see me, I say we have faults, so don't keep up that image there like you don't have fault, my G. You see me, I say allow that image there alone. I want to mess up sitting for try maintaining a dog. Yo, allow that image there alone. Just be yourself who you are. You know what I mean? You hear people say you're a snake or something. We are all men. We're prone to mistake. You see me, I say, allow that image there alone. That's all me can say, my people. And you explaining this thing, you only make you look guilty, dog. You see me? So people tell me what to think. Because I've been there and done that, you know, my people. You see, squeaky clean image, I one of the mess up things to try to maintain. You hear me say? Because people are got disappointed in you the least mistake you make, because them not expect you as a human being to make mistake, and we are all prone to mistakes. You see me I say? So make me know what to think, my people. Make watch some more.
Good, you know everybody has me a snake. Here what? Make the snake stay in them snake lane and stay far from the snake, and the snake do what me do and me do what me do. You see me? After this, anything Vani want come talk about me, I have no more address. One thing me have to address, bro, is say that she say, me say, her pussy, and she dey on live at work. And me, I try fuck her in a punga house. Never that, bro. You dead eh? Me ask her, me say, yo, go on bill. You say, you have to go away. Me say, alright, before you go away, wait on the food, eat your food, and then you cut. And that's what you did. You eat your food, and you say, yo, you ready me for walk you down? Me never go walk you down, because I say, Vani, me tired. You say, yo, just walk me go down, bro, because I don't know which part to go. I say, alright, sis, I'm going to walk you go down, you go in your car. Nothing more, bro. Nothing more. Me never see a pussy pa no phone. Me never see a jiggle up pa no phone. So please, bro, please. You might hate me, I might this, bro. What you do last year, bro? Remember last year why you disrespect me, bro? with world dog situation. Remember last year why you disrespect me? Last year you disrespect me because me and you go world dog party. You sleep, me sleep. We never have sex. You come and bring me down the most way. You bring me down say me a batty man. You bring me down say me run off in a foreign. You bring me down say JB bring me up here cause yes JB tell you all of the information say me come up on him program and me run off. And you tear me down. We never have sex. You come and bring me down the most way. You bring me down say me a batty man. You bring me down say me run off in a foreign. You bring me down say JB bring me up here cause yes JB tell you all of the information say me come up on him program and me run off. And you tear me down. The only way me a turn back friend, if you remember, you come out of jail, nobody never want to play a match with you. The night when you come out of jail, you come live, nobody never want to play a match with you. Everybody coming and request and say, yo, Vani, come out of jail, Vani want to play a match. And you play a match with me, I saw me a turn back friend if you remember. And I say, Vani, make sure say you change, the greatest thing you come out, make sure say you take care of youth and big up yourself. And that was it. And I saw me a turn back friend. Remember good. Everybody who remember. And when you come out of jail, we turn back friend. Cause me never deal after that. Cause I'm cool sick in my head, Vani. If you want to fuck somebody, when me and them never fuck, we just lie down in a bed. I would never sex and you bring me down so and then me get up and fuck you know. That make no sense, bro. Remember this is bro. If you talk, oh, disrespect me the wickedest, are you, bro? I'ma still give you a chance, bro, and bring you up on a man platform. And you still know I try to disrespect me. I make me look like a pussy. I say, me want to see a pussy. Me want to fuck you off. Just because me say to you, say, yo, go and build because when I dog them like you. I know you try. I know you try at this, me know. That totally makes sense, bro. When you give me the wickedest disrespect, me don't want to fuck you, know. Anybody knows, so bro, if you and Vani attack, or if you and Vani kiss, if you and Vani, if Vani, it cannot hold down. As you and fall out, it go company media. Nobody knows so stupid, so bro. Nobody knows so stupid. Bro, when you invite me and say, bro, you can build a me yard and go a valley and show the next day, bro. I say, Vani, me? That was my thing to you. I say, Vani, me, if you come on here, come sleep, you're sick in your head, man. Then you look at me and say, yo, you can't get one hotel. I say, yo, Vani, me with figure it out. So if me did want to fuck you, bro, me da come here yard, bro. If that was in my intention for fuck you, me da come here yard, come stay. Can you look at me and say you can't go live in your live room and nobody not gonna know me there yard. I could have come here yard, come fuck you, bro. If I that you say me do one, cause me never have no bomb clutch at the egg. Sorry, the egg, thank you so much. Me never have no fucking intention to you, bro. I swear. Me never have no fucking intention to you, dog. I swear to God. I swear for my life, bro. Me never have no fucking intention to you, bro. I swear. Me have you as a friend, bro. Like, Vani, I'm a friend. Me you pull up on the stream. You're good. We chill, we chat. Me ain't not dep on that, bro. I'm Vani, let me tell you something. Punga stream, a whole heap of girl come a Punga stream. Punga can't vote for me. I Atlanta that. All you need is a big chain and I watch how you fuck. That's all you need. A big chain and I watch how you fuck. I may have that, bro. That's all you need in Atlanta. A big chain and I watch how you fuck. Be a girl come on Punga stream and me don't want fuck my fuck. Girl with them body, girl with pretty, girl with slim. All I need is Atlanta, a big chain and watch how you fuck. Plus me there on Punga. Plus you just show your TikTok. You have 700 followers. Ask anybody who live in Atlanta, bro. All you need, bro, is a chain and watch how you fuck, bro. And them girls are willing to skin out, bro. Me not go on the stream without no fucking. Me go on the stream for stream and come on my yard. So don't, if you better go build up your thing, then you want to build, but don't say, Vani, say me see a pussy, bro. Don't say that, bro, so me see a pussy. I me never want you leave. Don't say that, bro. Don't say that. Don't say that, bro. That's all me want clear. If you never say them thing, them would even address it, bro. But I you tell me, say, I me hear you say, me see a fat pussy, and you dey on phone at work, and me a try hold you down and me a try, you never say hold down, me a try fuck you in a punga house. When all we did in the punga house, you dey on your phone, you tell me say I get a jelly, me tell you say me a move, you tell me say me not fi move, go down and say whatever. It was a normal conversation. That's all, bro. So don't make it look like say Vani like, oh Jesus, me bring Vani on punga stream for fuck her. Me bring you on the dog stream, bro, for help you and for help him. That's all, bro. That's all, dog. And there's no way, bro, me ain't going to bed already, bro. I will sleep. I'm gonna have sex. And no, me ain't never have sex. We just sleep, you know. And you bring me down wicked. When the situation where you bring me down for me, I nothing to do with it. You bring me down, say me a batty man. You bring me down, say man a fuck me. You bring me down, say me run off in a fire, me no papers. You bring me, say me sleep in a JB house. You bring me down to the lowest, bro. To the lowest. And me get up, and you come out of jail, and you say you change, and me play a match, I will turn back friend. I'ma come again, and me see you on live, and me say, Van, you want to come at a stream? Yes, Van, you even look at me and say, you can't cut me off because me have good link. Swiss how me if I fall out, I have them link, you have Valiant link, you have them streaming link. Me I can't fall out. When the streamer end, you big me up. Thank for Swiss to bring me up on the stream. No, me a snake, no, me a this. No, me look so Vani, dog. All me do I just ignore you, bro. Me don't come here and disrespect you. I say to my people in live, say, chat, why them people call me hypocrite? You know what is hypocrite? Hypocrite is when people tell you go suck your mother, your friend for dead, you forget gunshot, if them see you, them you for dead. No boy no wish dead for me, no boy no tell me go suck my mother, no boy no break down my character.
Let me tell you this to people. You know say Ivany, Rosalie, me not promote them people here, me not say people to be like these people. But Ivany, Rosalie, them we survive longer than Sicily. You know that? Alright, me I go to a perfect example now. Remember, Able Boss did have a squeaky clean image, and people did say I'm a snake, just like how them say Sicily a snake. Remember, Able Boss image, him no want in the passa, the mix up and the drama, him avoid it 100%. But behind the scene, them a say him not a good person. Look what happened to Able. One little something, and him get bring down right to the ground and fall off. Look on World Dog, look how much things come at World Dog, and him don't fall off and bring down to the ground. Look how much thing come at Ivany, look how much thing come at Rosalie, and them don't fall off and bring down to the ground. That's why I tell you, say you see that squeaky clean image there where people are trying to maintain on the internet is either you is that person, or even if you is that person, don't try to maintain it. Do some things where make people say, no man, him not squeaky clean. So them have an expectation, say, yo, you have fault. When you have the squeaky clean image, them are going to say, no, you don't have no fault. And certain things you're not going to do, you're not get caught. And when it happen, them drop you. You see me, I say, them don't want to hear from you, because them I say, no man, you disappoint them, you let them down. You see it, so me just say that my people, make me know what to think.
I'm a pray and match with them. The people them in the comment section say you me attack. You see one comment you follow it up, you start make up these things and me see your pussy and you at work. I want me that talks up on the phone for you at work. When me that up on the phone so for you at work. And what kind of song would I play for you at work? I'm see a fat pussy. Oh! Dog. Yeah. Chad, me done half of this, yeah? I'm in a busy, me done half of this. I'm not have no more for address. Who want believe what me I say, believe what me I say. But I swear upon my life, I never see that girl pussy. Me never have no intention for fuck Vani. Cause me have intention for fuck Vani, I straight to sex me I talk about. I try to touch her, I try to feel her up. The kiss thing, me lock off the stove. Me don't know about no kiss thing. Me don't know about no kiss. Vani sit down on one chair. Right there, and I slide down right here on Punga bed. Vanya eat her food right there, so that's how we there, and me I eat my food right there, so. Vanya don't eat her food, she go upstairs, she says she have KFC, And I ask who in the room, who in the house want KFC, want seal KFC. And she get everybody KFC. That's it. After Valiant show, the Valiant friend, they say, yo, Vanya, go with that. I mean, and the same thing when I tell the man to blood clot it happen. Yo, when you see the snap, when you see one snap, when you see one have one snap over here, we're not about me and Vanya match. Me soon have one snap, bro. The same thing when I tell the man, I say, bro, that I don't want Vanya feel like, say, bro, me and force her to stay for Vanya, say, I fuck me, want fuck her. Bro, the same thing I tell the man. I'm going to say you that better make Vanya go on the thing about chemistry. You see that snap there, as Vanya make that snap, the Vanya go. Bro, the same thing I say to the man, bro. I say that make Vanya go on. Make Vanya go on, bro. I don't want Vanya cut, bro. I don't want Vanya feel like, say, bro, I fuck me want fuck her, and me I try to tell her, say, you have to stay if you try to fuck her, bro. You see when Vanya make that snap there, as Vanya make that snap, the Vanya leave. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God. Bro, you know me know, sir, dog. Vanya either come do this to bring me down, bro. To come on the stream. Bro, all me do I invite Vanya to come on the stream. Bro, alright. Vanya have my number all long, bro. Vanya text me and say, yo, what time? Come share my number. Me not have her number saved. Vanya text me. Bro, I can't believe, bro. Me see, when the person just sent the screen record a while ago, so me see Vanya fat pussy and Vanya twerk on live, I lie. I lie, me not see Vanya pussy. Me not see Vanya never twerk. Vanya have one white dress or one next thing, pan a video call. And ask me, say, what me for wear? I say, yo, wear that. I swear to God. In the end of this, me take the blame. Cause of me invite her. You see me? So in this, me take the blame. And me invite her. And me tell her to come. Bro, in everywhere, you know, I'm telling you, chat, when I love Vanya. When I love Vanya. Let me tell you why I love Vanya. Vanya is a friend. No matter what, if she get the chance to share you, she share you. I don't know Rosalie thing with me and Vanya not. Bro, Vanya been a shade me in any way Vanya can shade me. In any way Vanya can shade me, Vanya shade me, chat. Who over Vanya knows that me, Vanya attack, or no know. Anyway Vanya can shade me, dog, Vanya shade me, bro. Anyway. I'm gonna say, oh, that why? Me always look out for Vanya. And if you come for a point for Vanya, shade me or disrespect me, should do it. And see that happen, just like now. Me always look out for this girl, bro. But if this girl get a chance to diss me, she diss me. Why the fuck me gonna be friend with you? That's not friend, bro. And it make it look like, say, bro, me I'll run into she when she not enough for me. Which she say me not enough for her. Vanya never call me and say, yo, Swiss, come here, so you're good, you're this. Vanya say me running and everybody will have views. Bro, you know long the youth and them young can't say no much every night. Do only a man we never play. Me never play a series. Rosalie never diss me on the app. Rosalie just do her thing and me I do my thing, bro. She just do her thing and me over here and over here. So me and Rosalie plan the series on live. Me and Rosalie no play much all long. And when Rosalie Akin thing just start, bro, Rose send me request and me and Rose play a match. If Rose willing to come talk. When Rolag and Brit usually do them thing, Rolag usually add me and send me and the son, Britta the mother, where me Lincoln Chi that are the mate for him and World Dog, and the two of them do them thing. And if I so be the case, everybody will have views, everybody play a match with. Forget them diamond. Everybody, bro, and people always want to play me because them things that me have smoke. If I'm on a rank right now, the first name I call a Swiss name. Out of everybody.
Well, this more I have to say, you see me? Yo, you know, I have to try to convince the public here, Sicily. You see me, I say, you know who you have to try to convince now? Your woman. Because she are the person we are going to look on this and say, oh, that you are going with. You know what I mean? So, me not tell you if you admit, because that would be the worst thing you could have ever do. Admit, say, boy, you know what I mean? Something like that go on for sure. No matter the receipt where Ivany show or anything, never you admit to Rebel say, such thing happen. You know what I mean? Just say, maybe she look on it the wrong way. Because remember, you are a nice person. You see me, so just make you know, say, yo, you were just being that nice person that you are. You know what I mean? And Ivany take it the wrong way because a long time Ivany want in things with you. You see me, I say, that's all me can tell you if you say. Me don't teach you for lie, nor nothing, but me love to see you and Rebel together. And just try if you not get caught up in a situations where you know say you're going to mash up the relationship between you and your woman, because I know say you love her. So, it's either you buy some crutches from some Yankee girl when you know you, and just do so, more than if you try for there with woman when know your woman and know you. Because that now going to stay a secret, my G. Know that. I there with a woman, we have a man. You see me I say, where if she talk, she must pan herself too. Can't deal with them careless girl. You have to know where you are doing, G, because you have a woman where you want to keep right now.
Buddy, if a man a rank right now, him have 10 million people. Everybody going to say, yo, say, call Swiss, call Swiss, call Swiss. One night I want you to rank, everybody I call me if you take the man thing, bro. Bro, me just lower out, come sister dog. No matter what, me feel like that girl I go change, she not change. Cool. I'm lower you out. You said you do your thing and you do your thing. Me not this you, but me just adjust what you say, bro. Don't say me bring you a punga stream for fuck you, cause that never was it. Please. All of who want say me a hypocrite or me a snake, me accept that. Me accept that. And they keep it as that. But when you see things happen, you don't switch on the mouth. Because what you do all on here, say Swissley a good youth. When she dey on the stream, I bring her up on the stream. One thing is Swiss are going to give people highlight. Swiss are going to bring people over, right? And so Swiss are going to show up, Swiss are good youth. All of a sudden, you know Swiss are snake. So here what? Keep it as a snake and do not change the snake narrative. Keep it as a hypocrite and do not change the hypocrite narrative. Make me stay in a lane. Who respect me, me respect them. Who me deal with them. Just keep it. Don't change no more from that. Come here tell you, bro. Don't change no more. Come here tell you, me go shame you. Remember me telling you, bro. Don't change no more, you know. All of who say me a hypocrite, all of who say me a snake. Because me not address things when me not address. I swear me never gonna address this morning. But me can't sit down and make you say me see a pussy. Make me see, it even about Rebel, bro. It's just that it make you look like, say, me bring you come on the man stream for fuck you. That's why I'm really answer this, bro. Because the narrative where you paint is, oh, Swissley bring up on this stream for fuck you. When all I did, bro, to bring it on this stream, for him know, say, yo, you can take off and you help out Punga, and the stream help you. Punga people, them know you, and your people, them know Punga. Just like, oh, me go, my people, them know Punga, Punga people, them know you. It's just for a highlight. Thank you, just for exposure. That's all I do it for, bro. And this is how me get calm enough. Because me enough. Because me enough, bro. I always feel like, say, yo, networking and people come, bro. Because me enough. I just that. Me don't have for this no chat, but anything mama want click her live and say, if she mama want go and go, bring me down to the lowest decimal point. Me nah have no of address. Me nah have no of it. Me nah address nothing. After today. Anything you want, she want to talk, me just want to clear that. Me nah have nothing more to say on this. Me don't have for this. Me nah have nothing more to say. Nothing more. So later if she want to click her live and say this go on or whatever, I say my piece and it done. I have nothing more to say. But me I tell you, bro, me learn from this, bro. Like me learn, bro. Me learn. This show me say, bro, all the people are John, Lord, they make them John. Chat, I swear to God, me learn, bro. Me never da go adjust it. I when me see the screen record the girls, so me see her pum pum and them thing, bro. Me I say, no, bro. I fart, no, mama make it look like say me I try fuck her. And then the internet don't know like me already. So them I go say, yeah, I choose Swissley sneaking. But who have sense? No, there's no way me don't want to fuck you, bro. When me go in a bed already, bro, I never want to fuck you. So no, me go want why not mind that change because you do your body, because you do your lip. Everybody, guys, 11,000 people, me done. You run at this blood clot, yeah, with your pussy clot pipe and you shot the sheriff. And then one put it on the blood clot deputy, a liar tail. Liar blood clot tail in the West, girl. Oh.
Hey.
Video.
And the girl full of live rounds in a cheese from Jamaica. She do this, you know?
Right now to me, the woman I walk with a nuke. Melt down this blood clot, yeah. Oh.
And no drama no in the crosses. Because as your company life tonight crosses, when a little fly body girl over there talk about jealousy, this and that, you never have nothing to say. Okay then. But make sure when you run them out, you make them come quick. You make them come. Me I come on for this on a cross.
Kiki, wala Kiki.
I am coming. What? Me mute Jabas and Jayden enough so me not hear them. Me I come
What's
on.
up, me say?
Oh.
Huh?
Oh.
Let there be love, share among us. Let there be joy in our hearts. Let there be love, share among us.
You and Jayden
Let there be love.
My people, this is from last night, but I have to share this with others because I find it funny. I love to see them people here with them on the screen together. I not lie. Something funny always come out at my people. I say, yo, we don't listen to Jabas, my people, and what Jabas say. Because you see TJ always are the person who act naive and act like say, yo, certain things him don't know and him not expect certain things are rare. But him know still, but I saw him act. You know what I mean? Jabas are the man where him a go come out and say some things more while where you have to laugh. The lion man, him same one. Kiki now, Kiki's a different breed to my people. So make a watch and get a laugh.
Link up with you. That's the man said.
Who link up with him? Who want
Man say I beg him to link up and he not come nowhere.
I remember going on my phone.
Boy, you want to pull me in your blood clot cas, but you mute me like me I do nothing. I see you do that.
Can't get along. Why I just not understand like why everybody can't just.
DJ just go and enjoy the crowd and shoot on man for we jump left, you know.
I don't like them clothes, dog.
Well, go on. Can you link him and link up with any man that come nowhere? I know you go on like say. I got talk, but you just send location like I man did ask for location. You know what you do? The man did ask for your location. I that one here.
Come on,
I that one here. I that one here.
Okay, so someone going with you.
Yes, you're blind.
So Kiki and Jayden they plan for link up with you.
Yes, DJ.
Okay.
So Kiki like a cocky feelings. Nothing wrong with that. And yellow cocky feelings over here.
I didn't want to link up with Jayden.
I didn't want to link up with her too, of course.
What you mean? Fuck you pussy fame, Jay. Oh, you mean? I tell you that waste man.
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
The girl look good and skin clean and pretty.
Yeah, of course.
Right now.
They don't fuck. Lie that, they don't fuck.
No, we don't fuck.
Yo. Yo, we got over bed. I swear we got over bed.
See,
but me not really want to come back and talk about the intimate business still. Don't have to keep secret or not chat too much enough to go.
What you mean, Jay, you not have no woman? That's a long time. Watch out, Kiki is not an easy girl, you know. Kiki, I feel like you feel link up with you.
Acho Kiki.
And I beg.
Yeah, man, we can't do that, yes.
Jayden,
we can't beg you to come.
Jayden, you see Kiki in real life before?
No, I've never seen Kiki in real life yet.
Dad, tell me no lie, dad.
No, for real. I never see Kiki in real life. I'm not going to tell lie on Pum Pum, dog, you see. I not like you in a TJ.
It's a boy, you don't know him, you know?
TJ, we not like you know, anytime I see a club with 4 women, you know.
Last time I see you make a 2, I see my walk back like a blood clot security.
Here I know. Kiwi! So one of them there.
Kiwi, beg us something there, Kiwi, please.
He's a jealous woman, I see. Kiki.
Doctor, beg us something there, doctor.
No, me and Kiki not do nothing, bro.
Kiki, me know you like Jayden for real. Me like friend level. Me
of course, Kiki like for true. Of course,
me either to man or woman. But sometimes when I see you lose the race, just love them, bro. Nobody just love them, bro. Cause me know if you want to mash up a relationship, you can mash up with a whole message. Kiki, me know what message you don't have, you can mash up a relationship. But nobody do that, love you.
Kiki, nobody mash up a relationship. Oh God, darling. Cause remember, so we didn't send each other things. Nobody we did.
Why am I glad me put argument? Me glad me run the major there.
Share a video with me, I cry.
Me glad me run the major there. My friend, me run the major there.
It's not you.
One time, me ever text that one time. I asked him to text him and say, me say, girl, beg, you have a views. That's all I'm done. I'm gone. Ask me if I text him.
Well, I know, guys.
I look you. I send you understand.
Thanks, nurse.
So our
Kiki, you believe that, Kiki? You believe that? In Kiki?
So
I trust TJ more than you and Jayden.
Why?
Right. One Anna chat. One Anna chat.
So, yo, no stop talk about, what I'm doing, brother?
You come boy, you trust the TJ, we fuck you.
No.
They can't tell about you trust TJ. TJ, we fuck you. When I ask you.
Guys,
Jabbas, me in my relation. I want to Jabbas, man. Everybody have dirty ways like you.
TJ, when me say me with this, me know I feel that type of way is it because.
guys, use the triple, please.
No, TJ,
Guys, what money gon' do? Guys, use the triple, do. Guys, push up my score now, guys. 1.6, and we want money gon' do. One anat. Do.
Girl, nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with your girl. No, that one say me get involved. Me know bring no one coming night, so me now look for your way. I'm not an idiot.
What are you saying, yo?
Thanks, guys.
What
Thank you, Vice. How far is the time?
Rosie,
nothing wrong with you. You're a nice girl. Nothing wrong with you. You look good at everything, but me, no one come after everything. So me never go there. So me an idiot.
You come by us and talk about a pigtail. You dead. You would soft out. Your belly big. You can only do 2 positions.
No, girl can't say my hood dead. No time.
You can only in the bed and make girl right.
Jabbas, right? Nobody see you. They know see old Lily. Like Friday, nobody see my teaching.
Anybody see you know say your pussy tight. Me tell you some things over here now. Your opposite thing on the ramp with me now.
Anybody see you, well, most say hold up in your belly. And for anybody look on TJ, they know say TJ can't really manage. But I want to TJ.
Lie tell, Kiki, lie tell.
DJ, she said she want to put up on a podcast.
How would they shoot for you over there?
Well, yeah, little nurse, no man.
No, I can't sound like D-Wiz.
Oh, no, D-Wiz. I key with Mr. Not D-Wiz.
Yes, you little drunk girl.
No, let me tell you, you see me now, means a diversion, you know. They always try to divert for them problem I want to put it on me and give me the straight shots them. You see me, if you not at all, I'm in a trouble. I see if I deal with them now.
Nurse, don't say nothing else, mama. Wait till the next game, thanks.
You go here say this and you go here say that. And this a girl I walk and cocky for
Jabas, Wendy, where you see that? Jabas, Kiki have no more score down. With you jump?
Kiki!
Nurse Grace, vice of a reason.
Kiki, thank you so much, yeah.
He need it, man. He need it. He need it.
Hold on. My wife a call me. Hold on.
I'll go over there, check. Look over here where I'm going over there.
Watch her.